So you guys literally drove here from Kelowna for that peach tree.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
And then this happened.
Extra.
I'm Evan. We're at Art's Nursery and we got a bit of a plant haul here from my mom and we're gonna load this stuff into the car. Starting with this lovely peach tree. Oh, you're good. You're good. We're out from Kelowna and this is the only reason we're here.
Because they had the O. Henry peach, which I'm so excited about. It's delicious, it's beautiful, and it's late season, which I am so excited about. I've been looking for the Hummingbird mint everywhere, which I couldn't find, and I'm so excited about it. The hummingbirds literally love it. And also the Veronica. And I've never seen, I think this one's the Status, at home, so I'm really excited about this one. All the flowers that we picked out today have a purpose. It's to attract the pollinators in our yard. So we get tons of hummingbirds, we get native bees and honeybees, and butterflies. Oh, and there's a ladybug in here that's going on a trip to the Okanagan. Last one in the truck, the Pincushion Onions, and we're off.